In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert PNG to vector in Figma. Converting a PNG to a vector lets you scale your artwork infinitely without losing quality. Clean up rough edges, and easily change colors for different use cases like logos, icons, and illustrations. We'll follow a simple workflow that keeps things clear and repeatable. Start by opening your design in Figma. Make sure the PNG you want to convert is visible on the canvas and easy to select. If you are working with a busy file, zoom in so you can focus on the image you plan to trace. This will help you see detail as you adjust settings later. Next, open the Actions menu by pressing Ctrl+K on your keyboard. This is Figma's quick search, and it's the fastest way to find tools and plugins without digging through menus. In the search bar, type Image Tracer. Then open it. Image Tracer is considered the industry standard for this kind of work in Figma because it produces clean, reliable vector results and gives you intuitive controls over the conversion. Select your image on the canvas. Then run the plugin. You'll see options to adjust threshold and smoothness. Threshold determines how much of your image is included in the trace. A higher threshold usually creates more filled shapes and captures more detail, which can be useful for bold graphics. But it may also introduce unwanted noise. A lower threshold simplifies the artwork, which is great for icons and logos. Smoothness controls how rounded or simplified the edges become. Increasing smoothness can remove jagged edges and make curves look more natural, while lowering it preserves sharp corners and fine details. Take a moment to balance these two settings. Small adjustments go a long way. And your goal is a clean result that still looks like the original. When you are happy with the preview inside the plugin, click Place, Trace Vector. Figma will add a new vector version of your image to the canvas. It's separate from the original PNG, so you can compare them easily. Drag the new vector away from the original to get a clear view of what changed and to confirm the edges look smooth at your desired size. Now customize it. With the vector selected, use the fill options in the right-hand panel to change colors. Because it's vector, you can recolor individual shapes, apply brand colors, and keep the artwork crisp at any scale. That's it. Thanks for watching.